Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Defy, and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now here we have to find the build number, which is, as you can see, at the very bottom of this list, and all we have to do right now is to simply keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. As you can see, if you've got any kind of screen lock reset, your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step, and as you can see right now we are a developer, so we can go back to the general settings and enter the system. Now let's tap on advanced, and here we've got the developer options, so let's enter. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can enable the strict mode, and we can show view updates, change window animation scale. Here we've got some options which are connected to Bluetooth and overall to the networking, so for example the Wi-Fi or USB, and so on and so on. So we've got a lot of options. Be aware that they are advanced, so be careful whilst customizing them. So if you'd like to turn on the option, all you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher on it, and as you can see it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it in order to open much more advanced settings. So if you're done with customization of developer options, and if you'd like to turn them off, nothing easier, just tap on this switcher at the very top on this blue background, and as you can see most of the options will be inactive, and after getting back you can see that the developer options simply disappeared from the system settings. But of course, if you want to customize them again, no worries, you can just go back to the build number step and keep tapping on it. So actually this is it. This is how to enable developer options in your MOTOROLA Defy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.